First, it is a day many have waited for, history made on Capitol Hill.
Ketanji Brown Jackson has become the first black woman to be confirmed to the U.S. Supreme Court.
On this vote, the yeas are 53, the nays are 47, and this nomination is confirmed.
Since 3 Republicans have voted in favor of Jackson, Vice President Kamala Harris was not needed to cast a tie-breaking vote. Justice Jackson is replacing retiring Justice Stephen Breyer, who typically sides with liberals on decisions.
Joining us today to talk about this historic decision is Joan Bullock, Dean and Professor at Texas Southern University's Thurgood Marshall School of Law. Dean, thank you so much for joining us. We first want to start off with how significant today's vote is for the history of this country.
It is extremely significant. Let me tell you how important it is to me personally. I remember growing up in Montgomery, Alabama, standing in the colored-only lines, not being able to swim at the local pool. And now it's such an accomplishment for me to be a lawyer and the first female dean at Thurgood Marshall School of Law at Texas Southern University. But the confirmation of Ketanji Brown Jackson as the first black woman appointed to the United States Supreme Court, it is historic, it is monumental. She is such a role model and an inspiration to all of us. I believe that her being on the court is going to allow her to speak and represent so many diverse voices, so many who are the underrepresented, the marginalized in society. And she will be speaking for all citizens in the United States. So it is of monumental benefit to the United States for her to be appointed.
And Dean Bullock, how important was it to have those 3 Republican votes showing bipartisan support?
That was very important. It shows that this country is serious about justice, and the fact that there was bipartisan support is signaling that this country is moving in the right direction to ensure that all voices are heard and that we're not going to allow politics to come between the rights of all citizens.
Yeah, Dean Bullock, it can't be overlooked that this moment was special for many reasons, but 2 in particular. One is that Kamala Harris, the first black woman to be vice president, presided over this historic moment.
Yes, it's wonderful to see the level of representation of diverse people, diverse voices in the legislature, in the Congress, also in the White House and now in the judiciary. It is very important for us to make sure that we're all heard.
And we certainly appreciate your time and your insight, Dean Bullock from Texas Southern University's Thurgood Marshall School of Law. Again, we certainly appreciate your time. Thank you for joining us.
You're very welcome.